But listen, I wouldn't
Wash it yet.
Yeah, I wouldn't suggest
Not yet. Maybe tomorrow.
to do the rim, to wash the rims for at least a couple of days. And if you wanna wash the car, just get the
Just plain
nice
Body wash
rag and just wipe it nicely everywhere. You know, don't do the paint the whole thing just yet.
Damn, you matched it very well. Very well.
You like it?
Very well.
All right. So happy customer and nice looking spoiler. Makes the car look sporty, and the exhaust, of course. Yusuf, why don't you press a couple of times inside? Oh yeah?
No, that real quick.
You know how to do it? Make it sharp a couple of times.
Like choo. Close.
And now I go 1, 2, 3. Yeah, try it. That's it. That's good. That's good. All right. So we have Plasti dip on the tires. Okay. We have painted the spoiler. All right. Makes it look real nice and sporty.
Guys, hold on. 3, 2, 1, go.
Made an exhaust here too. All right. So yeah, if you're interested in stuff like that, come, I'll take care of you. All right. You happy, Yusuf?
Very happy, bro.
Good.
Yeah. All right.